Hey guys, and welcome back to the only channel bringing you BMAT tips and tricks to make it through the schoolhouse. On the agenda today, what should I write on my whiteboard? As you can see here with day 1 through 3, we've got the resistor color code chart. The most important tool you'll use is a BMAT page 75, OMOM and SOMO. Fuses and circuit breakers, primary cell and secondary cell batteries, how to make the 3 different types of measurements, then we have Ohm's law, volts over current times resistance. We know the law of electrostatics is likes repel and unlikes attract. When utilizing our left-hand conductor rule, the thumb equals the direction of current flow, and our fingers indicate the flux line rotation. And to round it all out, we have SWIFT, schematic diagram, wiring diagram, interconnect diagram, flowchart, and truth table. All right, future BMATs, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you in class. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more BMAT tips and tricks. And as always, stay classy and keep your head up.